Basket para kay Villaruz. Kalam. Tumira, no, good kay Sampaga. Tindog ang basket para kay Sampaga. Villaruz, umatake. Tumira, no, good kay 5. No, good kay wildcat ball. Lintas. Villaruz, dribble. Tumira, basket para Villaruz. Kalam, pass to out of bounds, pass to kawalan. Last 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Villaruz pagkagana para kay Cinco Pop. Yung first basket para kay Cinco. Villaruz, pass to Pera, umatake. Basket para kay Pera. Narok shot. Cinco. Save ball. Kalang matake. Lifting violation. Villaruz, naglilibol. Villaruz nasulitan. Napunta kay Sampaga. Sampaga matake. Bumubunggong. Ingot. Foul. Villaruz. Counted yun eh? Foul counted. Villaruz. Third personal foul, first team foul, bonus throw. Napunta kay Tempera foul, Sampaga, second personal foul, second team foul, act of shooting. Nogod dapat akay, kaya pastos 5, plus camper, nogod dapat akay, Sampaga nag-dribble, Sampaga tumira, nogod dapat akay, pang, nakalusot, foul, Sampaga, grabe! Third personal foul, third team foul.
Ba't pag nakuha mo, tira mo na agad?
First throw. No good. Last throw, ready to jump.
Taksa tiran.
Basket ang Olimpira. Remain time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Kala nag-dribble. Kala pa rin. Dire-diretso. Bitaw ng bola. Wildcat ball. Villaruz. Bitaw ng bola. Out of bounds. Time out. Team Apa. Remain time 6 minutes and 20.